Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to improve Steam game performance. To improve Steam game performance, we have some methods for you. First method is to adjust in-game graphics settings. First is to open your game via Steam. Then go to the settings or options menu. Choose graphics or video settings. Lower settings like resolution, texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. Save the changes, quit your game, and restart the game if needed. Next method, update graphics drivers. Identify your graphics card, for example, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Visit the official website. Then download the latest driver compatible with your GPU. Install the driver by following the on-screen instructions. Restart your PC to apply the update. Next method, enable Steam's in-game FPS counter and optimize. Open the Steam app, click on Steam, then choose Settings. Choose In-game from the following list. Enable the in-game FPS counter, and choose where it will appear on the screen. Launch the game and observe the FPS. If needed, close background applications to boost performance. Last method, verify integrity of game files. Open the Steam again and go to your library. Right-click the game you want to optimize. Then choose Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish and relaunch the game. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.